everyone, Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you guys a 2023 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. We optioned it with the Horizon hull side color, black bottom, white tower, no inserts on the tower. So if we did the inserts, it would be Horizon gray. We really like the white on this one. We got the white top cap, the white tower, the white 300 Mercury Verado V8 naturally aspirated, and the ivory interior with the hexagon stitching in there. We did the gray interior flooring, starting with the Sundeck in the back. Look at that platform. So much room on there when that motor's tilted down. Even when it's tilted up, it's easy to get by. So on the interior flooring, we optioned it with gray, just like the Sundeck in the back, but we did infinity woven vinyl. Part of the reason for this is this infinity woven vinyl is completely removable. So if you wanted to take it out, you have a nice finished non-skid surface throughout the entire boat. Again, ivory interior. One of my favorite parts of the Sea Ray SDX series is these seats right here. You can flip-flop these seats and create a very large, entertaining area. We optioned it with the table inside the cockpit, and that's going to be a teak table. Table base is right down there. Besides that, again, tons of room for storage under all of these seats, and great entertaining area. Moving forward, we have a 12-inch Simrad display right here, right next to your tilt steering wheel. All your switches right here. That's a Fusion Apollo head unit. Nice glass acrylic finish. Nice leather-like vinyl right here that complements the accent color on the seats. Moving forward, we do have a storage locker right down here. So pay attention to this. So if you look at the Sea Ray's interior upholstery, it's upholstered pretty much everywhere. Down here, it's not. That's going to be the bare gel coat, but that's going to allow you to make things easy to clean because all the dirt gets in the crevices and whatnot. So again, storage under all the seats. That right there is a cooler. Cooler right here drains into the bilge and pumps overboard. So very nice feature. On the front of the boat, we have a windlass anchor. That's going to be good when you're anchoring out there in Party Cove or off in the Trinity Bay next to, for example, Redfish Island. So we have a block-off door right here. Oh, one thing I want to point out, guys, there's nice covers on all this gel coat. That's because we just unwrapped this boat, and I was so excited to show you guys. Wanted to just jump right into it. Maybe we can cut to the scene where we pulled off all the shrink wrap. But again, guys, Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. I didn't even touch the surface of all the options on this boat. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Come into the dealership anytime. You can reach me on my cell phone. That number is 936-223-6770. I hope to see you on the water soon.